What's up guys, Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another one. Today I'm installing this IF3 and the customers chose to upgrade to the touchscreen for the IF3 and that part number is 356159Z. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly install this and get this up and running. So first things first, we need to undo these two screws. This is the electrical cover for the high and low voltage area. Put that to the side. Now we need to remove these four screws which hold the cover on that the new touchscreen is going to replace. Now Pentair does include 4 new screws for the touchscreen, but I'm going to recycle them and pull these out and put it into the new one. So let me show you what's next. Alright, now we got this top cover exposed. You want to save these buttons here, and then you see this port here, that's going to plug directly into that. So I already went ahead and recycled the screws over to the new panel. All you gotta do is literally drop it in place and it will automatically plug into that port that I just showed you. So go ahead and screw this down. So this part's nice and secure now. So now we're going to just go ahead and put the high and low voltage cover back on. And just go over everything once more. And I like to make sure the buttons click, which all 3 of them do. Pull the protective cover off. And there you have it. That's how you upgrade it to the touchscreen. Very simple to do. Can't mess it up. So I'm going to show you powered up as soon as I'm done installing all this and all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.